Hi guys, this is our last phonics lesson for the year. Lesson 78, murmur diphthong ER, UR, and IR. Remember, we have already learned murmur diphthong AR, it says R, and we have learned OR, it says and we're going to learn what ER, UR, and IR say today. Let's read these words. Report, sports, farmers, yard, car, market, factory, sale, camp, card. All right, so murmur diphthong ER, UR, and IR all have all three have the same sound, which is So let's look at this word, and you're going to mark them the same way you marked AR and OR. So you're going to X the E and arc the ER. And ER is, remember diphthong ER is going to say so we'll put the that word is her. Read it with me. Her. Her dog is chewing on a bone. All right, let's look at another one. This has a murmur diphthong UR. It's going to say again. So we're going to X the U, arc the UR, and remember this N isn't a guardian. That's all you do to murmur diphthongs is X and then arc. So this says the UR says the N says N. This word is turn. I will turn on the light so you can see. All right, let's look at this one. So this is IR. It's going to say the same thing. It's going to say So we're going to X the I and arc the IR. This word is sir. Ed named his horse Sir Thomas. Remember, when you see any one of these three murmur diphthongs, you pronounce it as ER. When you are reading it, it will be easy to remember that ER, UR, and IR all say But when you are writing, the only way to know which spelling to use is to memorize the word. Look it up in the dictionary or ask someone who knows. Something to keep in mind is that ER is used most often than UR and IR. Now let's look at these murmur diphthongs in words with more than one syllable. So you're going to X the U, arc the UR, then you're going to arc the PL and X the E. You're going to come back to the murmur diphthong. There is one consonant following it, so one must run, so we're going to split it right there. We don't have to do anything to the first syllable. It's going to say per. We're going to mark out that E and put the schwa sound, and that says pull. So our word is purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors. Let's look at another one. We're going to arc our BL, X our U, and arc our UR. This word is blur. Now, when we are going to add suffixes, the same rule is going to apply. If we wanted to make this word blurring, we don't have a consonant following our UR diphthong, so we have to add another R. So to write the word blurring, we're going to rewrite the word blur, add an R, and then add the suffix ing and underline it. All right, let's look at another one. All right, so we are going to X our U, arc our UR, and this word is a burn. And now there is a consonant following it, so we are just going to add our suffix. So if we wanted to make this word burned, we would write the word burned and then add a D and underline it. So that word is burned. The house burned down in the fire. All right, so that is it for all our phonics lessons, and we just learned all the murmur diphthongs. Remember, AR says R, OR says OR, ER, UR, and IR say So ER, UR, IR, Let's read these words. Yurt, firm, her, sir, surf, perk, bird, first, nurse, shirt, turtle, burner, burger, center, spider, jerked, whirling, hurting, turned, sternest. Let's read the sentences. On Thursday, Curtis went surfing. The first flakes of winter fell on the curb. Bert wore a dirty shirt. Have you ever had a turkey burger?